The ATO FIB box is behind the jib. Its wires are accessible from the back of the fryer. Remove the rear panel to gain access. The wires, which are attached to the back, are under a protective sheet metal cover. Remove the cover. Be attentive to the wire placement. Take a picture if possible. Remove the wires and grounds. Remove the cover on the ATO FIB box. The ATO AIF board is top center in the box. The other contents of the box, transformers, power supplies, and relays, will vary depending on the style of fryer. Remove the wires from the front of the board. Remove the screws securing the board to the standoffs. Remove the board from the standoffs. Position the new board. Replace the wires front and back. Reposition the rear wire protective cover. Position the ATO FIB box cover. Reposition the jib, and return the fryer to service.